How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be taking a quick look at this black 3-row aluminum radiator from SVE, designed for the 1979 to 1993 Fox body Mustangs. SVE's 3-row aluminum radiator is the perfect replacement or upgrade radiator for your Fox body. It is lightweight, bolts right into the factory location, and is a quick and easy upgrade for a clogged, leaking, or damaged factory radiator. Now, with its 3-row cross-flow design, this aluminum radiator is going to flow more coolant than the stock radiator, which makes it perfect for a bone stock car and a must-have for a car with even the mildest of mods. This radiator will feature 100% aluminum construction, a 2-inch thick core, and of course, it looks pretty darn good in its black finish. Other small details will be a nicely painted SVE logo on the front of the radiator and a properly positioned drain plug on the back for easy draining of the coolant. As far as fitment is concerned, this radiator is designed to work with 1984 to 1986 SVE Mustangs and 1979 to 1993 Mustangs equipped with either the 2.3 liter or 5.0 liter engine. And of course, it will work with both automatic and manual transmissions. This SVE radiator incorporates the same size inlet and outlet diameters as the factory, so your upper and lower radiator hoses will fit with no problem at all. For those of you with manual equipped Foxes, the transmission cooler provisions in the radiator will simply be left uncapped or open, as this will not cause any leaks or problems. Last but not least, SVE's black 3-row aluminum radiator will work with either electric or clutch fan setups. When you open the box, you'll find one SVE radiator and a pre-installed cap. If you would like to see how to install this SVE radiator into your Fox body Mustang, be sure and check out the link in the video description. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Light.